10 Hidden Money Habits That Kill Love Using an Emotionally Engaging Psychology-Backed Script. We take you through problems you may experience when using money with your partner, the pitfalls, scientific bases, and possible solutions. Subscribe to help us research more for you. Ready? Here we go. So, you are in love. They say love can conquer anything except maybe money. Because let's be honest, nothing tests a relationship faster than financial friction. You can adore someone with all your heart, but if you're constantly clashing about spending, saving, or who paid last time, that love slowly starts to feel like a liability. Money isn't romantic, but it's emotional, and according to research from the Institute for Divorce Financial Analysts, nearly 22% of divorces are caused by money issues alone, not infidelity, not boredom, just the way couples handle finances. So today, we're diving into 10 hidden money habits that quietly kill love and how to fix them before they destroy something priceless. 1. Ignoring small expenses, the silent relationship killer. It's not the big purchases that cause the cracks, it's the daily drips, the random takeout, impulse Amazon buys, the just a latte every morning. Over time, those little things pile up, not just in your account, but in your partner's mind. According to a study by the Journal of Consumer Research, couples who don't track small expenses are twice as likely to have recurring money arguments. Why? Because minor leaks create major mistrust. So the fix: practice micro-transparency. Every week, share your small splurges openly. It's not about control, it's about trust. 2. Hiding purchases, the secret affair. Hiding that shopping bag, deleting that bank alert. It might seem harmless, but psychologists call it financial infidelity, and it hits the brain like betrayal. Dr. Ted Huston from the University of Texas found that couples who hide money matters experience the same trust erosion as those who hide emotional affairs. Instead of sneaky spending, try a no-judgment check-in. Once a month, both of you share what you spent without shame. You'll be shocked how vulnerability builds closeness. 3. Letting one person handle all the money. Love's control trap in most relationships. One partner is the money person. They handle the bills, investments, budgets, while the other says, "I'm just bad with money." But over time, that imbalance turns into power. Financial therapist Amanda Clayman says, when only one person holds financial knowledge, the other loses not just control, but confidence, and confidence is love's oxygen. The fix: turn money into a team sport, split financial roles. Even if it's 70/30ths, both should know where the money lives and how it moves. 4. Comparing incomes, the ego game. It starts small. You make more, so you should pay more. But money tied to ego is poison for love. When one partner earns more, the other can feel undervalued, and the high earner might feel overburdened. It's a lose-lose loop. A 2021 Pew Research Center study revealed that couples with a noticeable income gap report 30% lower satisfaction, not because of money, but comparison. The cure: replace mine versus yours with ours. Split responsibility based on contribution, not equality, because fair and equal are not the same thing. 5. Forgetting to plan, the financial time bomb. So many couples live in spend now, figure it out later mode. But money doesn't forgive forgetfulness, whether it's ignoring savings or skipping financial goals. A lack of planning becomes a source of anxiety. Dr. Sonya Britt, a financial psychologist, found that financial uncertainty activates the same stress centers in the brain as physical pain. That's why money talks feel so uncomfortable, they literally hurt. Solution: dream together and plan together. Set small shared goals, even something simple like saving for a weekend trip. When your money has direction, your relationship does too. 6. Mixing mine and ours without clarity, the confusion zone. Shared accounts sound romantic until nobody knows what's what, who pays for what, what's shared and what's personal. When boundaries blur, resentment brews. A Northwestern University study found that financial ambiguity predicts conflict more than the actual lack of money. Clarity beats cash. The fix: create 3 accounts: yours, mine, and ours. Shared bills go in ours. The rest? Yours to enjoy guilt-free. Freedom within structure. That's financial intimacy. 7. Overspending to impress. Love's expensive illusion. Buying gifts, fancy dinners, surprise vacations. These are beautiful gestures, but only when they're not coming from debt. Overspending to prove love is like watering a plant with gasoline. Dr. April Benson, a compulsive buying expert, says, overspending for affection creates a temporary high followed by guilt, secrecy, and emotional debt. If your love needs proof, let it come from time, not toys. A handwritten note or a walk in the park outlasts the latest iPhone any day. 8. Refusing to talk about debt. The silent distance. Debt isn't the enemy, silence is. Many couples hide their debt because of shame, but secrets about money breed emotional distance faster than lies about anything else. According to credit cards, calm. 40% of people in relationships hide debt, and yet couples who discuss it openly report twice the trust and emotional closeness. So don't whisper about debt. Make it a shared mission, not a secret burden. The simple phrase "we'll fix it together" is more romantic than any "I love you." 9. Using money as power. The relationship. Ice Age. Ever heard the phrase "whoever controls the money controls the relationship"? Sadly, it's true in toxic dynamics. When one partner uses money as leverage, withholding, guilt-tripping, or manipulating it freezes the emotional connection. Psychologist Dr. Patricia Paperno calls it financial weaponizing, and she warns it creates a climate of fear, not love. Healthy couples don't use money to punish, they use it to empower. True love says, "We share control, not I pay, so I decide." 10. Never dreaming financially together. The missed spark. This one's subtle, but powerful. Many couples discuss bills, not dreams, but dreams, financial or otherwise, are what bind two people's futures together. Studies by Dr. John Gottman, one of the world's leading relationship researchers, show that couples who set shared goals are 83% more satisfied and stay together longer. So sit down, pour some coffee, and ask each other, where do we want to be financially, emotionally, and physically 1 year from now? You'll be surprised how money conversations can spark romance again. Closing message. Here's the truth. Love isn't destroyed by money itself, but by how we handle it together. Transparency is sexy. Teamwork is romantic, and shared goals, that's real wealth. So if you've recognized even one of these habits in your relationship, take it as a sign not of failure, but of opportunity, because awareness is the first deposit in your love bank. And if you need a little help getting started, we've built something special for you, the Date Night Generator app, where you and your partner can rediscover fun, connection, and teamwork again, one date, one dream, one financial fix at a time. Tag your partner below and say, "Let's fix our finances, not fight about them," because love deserves clarity and your wallet deserves peace. Do you know a couple that needs this? And share this with them to solve their money problems and save their relationships or marriage.